How to start profitable dropshipping without AliExpress. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at two different platforms that will enable you to get started with your own dropshipping business that are not AliExpress. So let's get into it. Now, the first platform over here is SPocket. So if we go ahead and open up SPocket, now, SPocket is a very popular platform for dropshipping. You can see I already have an account, but SPocket is super popular in the US and EU for finding dropshipping suppliers. One of the great parts about SPocket is that the suppliers that are on their platform are usually based in the United States or Europe, which will allow you for very small times for shipping. So if you are looking to create a dropshipping business where you want it to be super easy for your people to receive your items and receive the things that they have purchased, then SPocket is the amazing choice. And the available integrations or the e-commerce stores that you can link with SPocket include BigCommerce, Shopify, Flex, Wix, Ecwid, Squarespace, and AliExpress, and WooCommerce, Square, and Alibaba. So you have quite a lot of options available. Plus, you have a lot of different stories about how other people have found some amazing products using SPocket. So you can just register using your email address, and once you have done that, you're going to see this is the basic SPocket account. So let's say that we want to start our business, our apparel business, and I take a look at this simple t-shirt over here and I really like it. All I have to do now is I can click on add to import list to add this to my import list. So this would be added to the import list where I have my Shopify products, and then you can also choose to order samples and open up product variations as well. And then below that, you're going to see your processing time. And then below that, you will see your shipping time as well. Then you will have a detailed description of the item. And you can see the shipping status as well. So whether or not the supplier ships in the US, EU, or worldwide, you're going to be able to see that as well. Now, after that, if we take a look at the products, this is $13.20 while it is retailing at around $22. So you can see you have quite a lot of margin with SPocket as well. You can always open up Alibaba to do like a quick comparison between the two to see which one is more profitable. But depending on the kind of product or depending on the kind of thing that you want, maybe you want quick service for your customers, you want the people to receive their products as soon as they order, then definitely going ahead with a different platform might be better. But if you are fine with a little bit of shipping delay, then SPocket is definitely going to be your choice. Now, there are a lot of different items I could go on about and take a look at a specific category as well, but I think I'm going to leave that and move on to the pricing of SPocket. So SPocket is not for free. If we take a look at the basic version of SPocket, so their most basic version, which is the free version, where you can have a plan for entrepreneurs who want to browse their catalog, a 24/7 chat support, and AliExpress dropshipping. However, if we take a look at the starter business tools starting at $21, then you also have 25 unique products, email support, 24/7 chat support, AliExpress dropshipping as well. And then on the pro version where you have to maximize sales, it starts at $49.99, and then they have over 250 unique products, 25 premium products, and branded invoicing, as well as 24/7 chat support and AliExpress dropshipping, as well as supplier communication, where you can directly chat with your suppliers. And then they also have the Empire version starting at $99.99 USD, and you can also receive a 2-week free trial for this specific price plan as well for SPocket. You also have over 10,000 unique products and 10,000 premium products for this specific voucher. Now, if we take a look at one option, you might be wondering, hey, I like it, but I think that I could do better. Then for that, I would recommend that you go on to another platform and check out dhgate.com. So dhgate looks very similar to AliExpress, but it is not AliExpress or Alibaba, and you can find a lot of different cool stuff over here as well. So let's say if we go on to the hair section over here at the Watson. So you can see that we have taken a look at the lip section, and you can see there are quite a few different options available for you to pick from. And if we take a look at the different options, you can pick out any one that you want. If you take a look at one of these options, you will see the price for 1 lot, 2 lots, 3 lots, 12 lots, and 4 lots. Obviously, the more lots that you order, the lower prices you have to pay per item or per lot as well. And if you scroll down, you also have a starter coupon that you will receive, and with your coupon you can also get a further discount on the lot price of the item as well. So there are these different suppliers for you to make a profitable business with dropshipping. Dropshipping is super simple to do, and if you take a look at Shopify. So if we take a look at Shopify over here, so Shopify.com is probably one of your top picks to create your e-commerce store, although it is a paid version, so you will have to pay to get started with Shopify. I do think that it is definitely worth it to create your e-commerce store using Shopify, and if you're able to do that, you can easily combine it with a simple free product hunting thing such as SPocket or such as dhgate, where you will be able to find low price suppliers for your products, for your materials, or for anything other than that as well, and then combine it with the powerful features of Shopify to get started and make the most of your dropshipping business. It's going to be super lucrative, and then you can go ahead and focus on marketing such as Facebook ads, Twitter ads, Snapchat ads. You also have Pinterest and Reddit and other platforms like that to promote your products and items as well. And you also have the simple security umbrella for dropshipping as well, because you're not going to be the one that's going to take any losses. Even if I use like any of these super overpriced things on my dropshipping account, then what it would do, like if I add this dress over here, it really wouldn't make a difference, because even if I do add the dress, the thing is that it is not something that I'm holding physically. It's not a dress that I have to purchase from the supplier first and then sell it to my customer. The customer will simply just see the dress in my store, and then the supplier can buy it, choose to buy it, and then take it back home and wear it however they like. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to get started with your own dropshipping business and create a profit from dropshipping as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below, and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below, and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.